So today we're at As Is 2012, and we're at the PSIA Interoperability demo. And basically what we're showing here is how multiple different manufacturers can integrate their technologies together using the PSIA specification.
What the demo actually was able to show was 4 different specifications that we have in the PSIA: the video specification, the storage specification, and access and intrusion. And it was able to show that not only that they worked individually, but they also could work together, and they could communicate and show interoperability, communication, common alerts, common data. The companies involved range from small companies that are very innovative and starting up with great products to companies that are established in the industry who recognize that standards are the way to go ultimately over time.
Well, I think it was excellent. We had much better reception than we anticipated. Over 100 people had registered, so it was great to see such a big crowd participating in this event.
Well, I think the demo went pretty well. We actually were able to integrate with 2 PSIM companies after only 1 day of integration. Normally that type of integration would take several months.
PSIA is going to improve security for the typical user. You're going to get more features and functionality for the same price from manufacturers, because they're going to be able to focus on those features.
I like the fact that several different manufacturers that are oftentimes competitors were able to come together for a common good, so to speak, and further the industry, even putting aside their competitive issues.
As of a couple of years ago, we started to take a hard look at what is available and where the industry is going, and we decided that in order to serve our customer base much better, we need to adopt the emerging PSIA standard. There was a lot of demand from our customer base that said, look, we don't want a proprietary system anymore.
Customers do want products that integrate, and not just at a point piece level. They actually want products to integrate at a holistic level, so they actually have choices and solutions for delivering access, video, and intrusion.
You don't have to worry so much about if this camera works with this VMS, or if this access control system works with this PSIM solution. The idea is that you can move past all those integration issues and really focus on what the customer needs.
I'm very excited about the NetAccess being a part of this demo today, PlugFest. That actually shows how Honeywell is open, and we're actually working with our standards boards to drive solutions that drive value for our end users and our customers.
It's an important step, because as you can see from today's showing, there's a lot of major manufacturers, everyone from Honeywell to UTC, ourselves being a PSIM vendor, are demonstrating that they're building these technologies and standards into their roadmap right now, so that over time it's going to be easier and easier to interoperate. And somebody needs to take the first step, and the showing that you saw today was we had 13 manufacturers that really showed that they can take this first step to be able to develop against these standards and to really make that first push into the industry.
One of the things that's happened today is most of the companies that were involved in this demonstration today have commercial products that will be available either this year or early next year. So commercial implementations of the PSIA specs are actually happening now. The companies are very excited to have them into products, and we think that that's going to be a very important influence in developing momentum for the specifications.